guys, good morning. It's another day here in Chiang Mai and we're here in the Kerchor Elephant Sanctuary. So, we're here for the elephant tour. And kanina sinundo kami sa hotel around 7:10. And then nakatatlong palit kami ng sasakyan from the yung local na parang sasakyan lang dito and then van for 1 hour na biyahe lang naman. Tapos may stopover kami kanina sa may gas station. So medyo marami-rami pala tong tour na to. So we bought this tour sa Klook. Bigay ko na lang mamaya yung cost sa description ko magkano para may idea na kayo. And I think mag-orientation yata ngayon before we do the tour. Oh, may Sunday service.
If you wear these shirts now with the bucket, elephant no, my food is coming.
Oh.
And if you have swimming suit, you can put inside this one cover. No, but you don't have another clothes for change later. You can take your shirt off. Only this one. No, it's okay also. Today
Alright.
we gotta get wet and get the big mouth. You hands up like this, bone, hands up, and walk close to the mouth and put in the mouth. Okay. Second way, say bone, hands up, feet by the trunks.
Ay, ang cute.
Yeah, by the trunks. The baby. Yeah, the baby is coming. This one you cannot touch, now remember. This one, her name Aya. Aya you cannot touch because she doesn't like it. Don't try to touch now. When you feed the baby one, please slowly. Not taste very bitter. This one help to kill parasites not in the intestine. And the human can eat also. When you get high fever, get sick, this one can cool down your body. No, and elephant need to cool down the body as well because elephant they don't sweat like the human. They don't sweat, they sweat only around the nail. You can see the later skin really dry, but around the nail is wet. Now they have a lot of hair, but they don't have sweat gland. Now so every elephant they love water. And this one, rice. Now whole grain rice, high fiber, rice and cocaine. Make more elephant happy. Salt, just salt, no salt. Yeah. If it's salt for the elephant, we need elephant drink more water. Now when they drink more water, enough water, it's easy to poo. And this one, sampalok. Yes, tamarind. Yeah, tamarind, sour, high vitamin C and good for the digestion. Have you ever tried pad thai before? Pad thai?
Yes.
Yeah, this one we put in a pad thai sauce. But if you guys not go to toilet 2 or 3 days, no, you can eat these sides, no, with the salt together. Tomorrow morning, no, flow. Yes, come like waterfall. You know that? You try. It's just fruit. It's good. No poison.
Bonbon. Bonbon.
Di. Baka maubos na yung elephant.
Yeah, a lot. Poo a lot.
Ano mas lasa?
Make everything sticky, no, and more tasty. If we feed only this one for the elephant, they don't eat that. This one more tasty, no? Every elephant does the banana. Okay? Okay, we gotta mix everything in the big mortar. We make 2 teams. No? You gotta work hard today. You need to work. We don't put too much on it because it's very bitter. You wanna try some?
No.
It's very super bitter. Yeah, photo here. Hello? Hello?
Ano to, malalaki ang sweldo.
Ayun, muscles already.
Good exercise in the morning.
Parang ilupak.
Wala bang machine? Talagang mano.
Hindi ako iniwala na sila lagi ginagawa nila.
How big is size of the ball? Like this? Not too big, not too small, no? And tie together
Okay.
like a cookie.
Ang bango?
Oo, kasi
Bango, no?
saging.
Like this is better, no? Yeah, and when you feed elephant, say bon bon and put in the mouth slow. Not throw, no? They cannot catch like a dog. Or if you scared, not put in the mouth, you can do like this. They take it and eat that.
Okay.
Okay, please.
Si John mo nga.
Here far.
And put in the bucket here.
makaka-selfie kasi ano eh.
Mix very well.
Can we taste it sa'yo mo nga?
Feel nice?
Far. Can I eat this?
Ah, you can try.
Bon!
Come on!
Is this good?
Yeah, good for us too, but you can eat a little bit, no? This elephant.
So hi guys, we will now feed the elephant. So you know what, this is really an exciting day. Nilook forward ko talaga tong magkaroon ng tour or mag-join ng tour dito sa Chiang Mai for the elephant. Nung una, medyo ayoko siya kasi nga maraming mga review about ethical or non-ethical something. But now, I think it's good kasi na-research ko naman to. So tara, kuha na tayo ng bucket daw for the elephant food. Let's get the bucket here. Ako nga, ka-outfit ko kulay. So this is the elephant food.
Vitamin bowl.
Yeah. More. For
One.
me. For me.
Not
For
one,
me.
two.
That's the elephant food. Hindi, bago tayo magpaligo.
Elephant sugar cane hold like this. No like this, okay? Say bon bon, hands up like this and closer. Bon, louder and put in the mouth, okay? Bon bon, hands up louder. Bon! But if you scare like this, it's okay also. Feed by the trunk. But if you want to put in the mouth, closer, please closer. Bon! She open the mouth,
Oh.
okay? If you want to put in it, you want to photo with her.
Ah.
You can touch, you can selfie with her. Bucket behind, okay? Yeah. This one, 16 years old, Nonong Son.
Oh, teen.
Okay, everyone. Now please put that one elephant
Saan tayo
inside too. Somebody can follow me.
Ano yun tayo sa...
That's a baby. Let's go with the baby.
Can we feed this elephant? Okay.
Isa-isa tayo. Tayo dyan, dito na lang tayo.
Oh, nakita niya.
Makulit yung baby eh.
Ari, 11 years old.
Ari?
Ari.
Hi, Ari! Hawakan mo nga ito. Hawakan mo ko na ito.
Teach you.
I'll Bang! Bang! One. Ah! Ikaw naman.
Dito sa side.
Bang! Bang!
Bon!
Bang!
Bon!
Gusto ko yung parang sabi. Hey naman. Ikaw naman lang. Bilis, sabi mo naman.
Ayaw nyo?
Sige, pa.
Hindi, ano lang yun.
Ako na. Ikaw na. Sige, naman ka na doon. Ban! 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 Ito nga yung... Can I touch?
Don't touch the
Adam, ano? Ikaw naman! Pwede mo na.
Bon! Bon!
Kailan mo sabihin ng bon?
Oo.
Hindi! Bon!
Sabihin mo na! Bilis na!
Ah, madali lang siya.
Bon!
Para may elepante tayo sa rin. Saging naman.
Ikaw naman.
One!
Bon! Bon! Tatatat hindi! Siya makap.
Ikaw naman! Ito na! Ba-
Nice one.
ba- ba-
There's a picture mo nga si si siya.
Video mo na lang ako.
So guys, we're still here in the Kelchor Elephant. So a lot of tourists here, around 90 raw yung tourists. Ewan ko kung at once yun, but I don't know, this is a great experience. Nagiging emotional na ako actually kasi nakakatuwa nga no, makita yung mga elephant, you're feeding them. Kasi di ba parang ang lalaki nila tapos wala kang lapitan. Okay, they have free coffee here for all the guests. So this is coffee and they have tea. What coffee is this?
This is from where?
This is tea
Local
and this
coffee.
is
This is tea?
yeah, good line.
Local coffee.
Local coffee. Yeah.
We will now do the mud spa of the elephant. So this is the mud spa. There. So I have to take off my chinelas para I can join the elephant in the mud spa.
Kala ko, ikaw lang.
This is the poop of the elephant.
Oh, you hold it.
Can you hold it?
That's the poop. No, I don't want.
Why? Ah, come on. You volunteer.
Gerson!
You can't go now. Like I told you, we don't know how long the elephant stay here.
Say, approve.
This is a must experience, guys. Look at my look at my feet, though. So nice experience, you know. If you cannot explain, how do you feel? You're with these giants, you know. Kaya if you have time and you have the energy, come here in Chiang Mai and do the elephant tour. So guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa baba. Ito na yung aming lunch or parang snacks lang to. So rice, fried rice here. And we also have
Gerson motor experience.
there you go guys. So kakabalik lang natin sa hotel. And nag-enjoy talaga kami dun sa Kelchor Elephant Sanctuary. And it was really a nice experience. And I really recommend that you visit that sanctuary. We booked it via Klook. So I'll just put here yung kung magkano yung binayad namin through Klook. And sa description box below yung link pa rin na kayo mahirapan. So sobrang magical no experience makasama yung mga elepante kasi 'di ba you never thought that you'll be beside or you'll be bathing with this gentle giant. So sa una nakakatakot siya kasi nga laki-laki niya 'di ba, tapos hindi naman tayo sanay na may mga elepante sa paligid natin, but then you just have to follow the instructions of your guide para mas maging okay, mas maging matiwasay yung papakain niyo sa elepante at yung mapaligo sa kanila. Sobrang ganda. Recommend ito with kids. para mas maging educational din sa kanila yung trip ninyo. So kung nagtataka kayo, is this like I'm sure may mga nababasa kayo, is this like an ethical tour? Tama ba to? Tama ba na pinapaliguan? So yung mga elephant dito sa Chiang Mai, yung mga lalo-lalo sa culture they are domesticated elephant. Okay? So before talaga I was kind of half-hearted kung pupunta kami dito kasi may nababasa rin ako sa mga ethical tour, ethical campsite, may mga ganun-ganon. But sabi nung guide, there are two kinds of elephants, yung mga domesticated in which what they have, and also yung mga wild in which they also have here in Chiang Mai, and you can also do that tour, but you can just have to observe them from afar kasi nga wild sila, so the guide cannot predict yung mga magiging actions ng elephant. So if you're thinking ethical ba to, I think it's ethical because this is mandated by the government. So hindi naman kami sumakay sa mga elepante sa likod nila tapos naglakad-lakad. So pinakain namin sila, piniliguan lang, hanggang ganun lang. So regulated yung tour na to, nire-regulate ng government, and part of the payment na binayad naman sa tour na to, 50% of that will go to the elephants food kasi the elephants now needs to eat 300 kilos of worth of food every day, and the Thai government does not pay for it. The Thai government pay for the medicines of the elephant, so pagka nagkasakit sila, so libre lahat, but the food hindi yun sagot ng Thai government. Kaya ang ginagawa yung mga tour na to para ma-maintain at mas mapakain pa sila. So, one thing that struck me dun sa kwento ng guide namin is that this elephant pala are owned by the Karen tribe of Thailand. So, it's like their pet na nakatira sa bahay nila, and the elephants are passed down from generations to generations. Kaya kilala ng elepante yung may handle sa kanila kasi sila yung owner nun. Alright, so that's it for this. Na-enjoy ko talaga to. Na-enjoy din ng mga kasama namin yung elephant tour, and I would highly recommend this Kelchor Elephant Sanctuary here in Chiang Mai, which is Bukit in Kluk. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tour. I hope you enjoyed our vlog for today as much as we did. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I hope nakatulong kami sa pagplano nyo ng inyong tour or ng trip dito sa Chiang Mai, Thailand. For now, thank you guys. Bye-bye.